In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can auto-fit the contents of a table in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So open your table in Microsoft Word. So I have this one from here. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to select the whole table. So how can we do that? You will notice these four arrows on the left pane. Click on that to select the whole table. Once the whole table has been selected, you will notice that there will be two tabs that will be added in the ribbon. You have Table Design and Table Layout. Click on the Table Layout. And here, under the Table Layout, you will find the Autofit. Automatically resize the column in your table. Click on this drop down, and here you'll find Autofit Contents. Click on that. And that's it, okay? So that's how you can easily auto-fit contents in a table on your Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.